In this video, I'm going to show you how you can make screen recordings so that you can give instructions to your students or explain new concepts. It's really quite a low energy activity to do, as I hope you'll see from this video, and it can have a massive impact, especially for those students who struggle with literacy and interpreting written instructions. So, if you are logged into Chrome as your browser, which is the one with this icon, and you're logged in here and you see your school account in this corner, you will automatically have an app called Screencastify added to Chrome. Now, for some of you that might not appear in this top corner, and that will be because either you need to drag it out a little bit, you can see I just kind of grabbed the edge there, or it may be because you need to go to more tools and click on extensions, and then it should become visible. This is the icon for Screencastify, and I'm going to show you very quickly how that works. So once you click on Screencastify, a new dialog box will open here. And what it's going to ask me is, where am I recording the screen? So I'm going to record my desktop, what I'm seeing on the screen. It's going to ask, where am I recording my sound? So I'm just using the microphone that's built into my computer. And then, do I want to embed webcam? In other words, do I want a little mini picture of myself as I'm giving these instructions? And for me, the answer to that is no. So then I can hit record. It will ask me then, do I want to record my entire screen or do I want to record a specific window? So I'm going to record my entire screen. It counts me down, and now I've started recording. So for example, I could give some instructions to students. I want you to do 15 minutes of Tassomai first up before we do anything else today. Make sure you get your daily goal. And if you've finished that, you can continue with your accelerated reader book. Or alternatively, I can explain new concepts to students. So if I just put this into presentation mode, here you can see we've got a magnet with two steel balls, A and B. Why is it that steel ball B is pulled by a weaker magnetic attractive force than steel ball A? Then I might pause and give the students some time to think, and then I can explain that concept by talking about the answer and giving instructions to my students that aren't just in the written form. And that's the real beauty of this. So the answer is that B is further away from the magnet, so the field strength here is less strong than here. And don't forget, all of this is being recorded by the app called Screencastify. When I'm finished, at the bottom of my screen here, I just go stop sharing with Screencastify. And Screencastify now is saving automatically this video to my drive. Alright, so there are some options here. I can either publish it to YouTube or to Google Classroom or get an embed code. I'll do a separate video on how we share those, but the beauty of this really is, if I just go to my drive, here we are, Screencastify, and here is the video which was recorded at 12:47 this afternoon, the one that I've just made. So as I say, there are a few things that you might need to do to be able to see this. I'll make some troubleshooting videos too on how to make sure that you've got Chrome on your device, how to make sure that you've got the extensions visible, and how to make sure that you're logged into Chrome, not just logged into the school website. But it really is just a few clicks to make a video which can have a massive impact on students being able to understand what it is that you're asking them to do, and for you to be able to explain new concepts to them.